Coming up next on Shaded by Jade.
Get up and get it back.
I've been watching you.
Dummy.
Hey mamas, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Shaded by Jade. If you are new here, welcome. So y'all, I have an exciting surprise for y'all. So we are about to go to the mall right now and get a few things, but make sure y'all keep watching this video because I have a surprise for y'all. But this is just gonna be a regular schmegular day in the life vlog, and yeah, that's really about it. I need to wash my hair. So this upcoming weekend is Easter. I'm really excited to go to church on Easter. I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna cook and all that fun stuff. But yeah, okay, so we was in the car and we was debating about us having to wear the same thing in my videos, and I do be feeling like I be wearing the same stuff in a lot of my videos. I really need to go clothes shopping, y'all.
When I was on the phone with my man, he said, damn, bro, you just had that on. I'm trying to show you my fit, but I'm about to wear. He said, bro, you already had that on. I said, all right, I got to switch it up.
Yes, that's what we need to do. We need to go clothes shopping, babe.
I know.
I just need you
I
to
be having shit, though. That's the thing, like.
You always got clothes. Every time.
Shit. You
every time.
Other stuff.
No, every time he give me money to get clothes, I always end up getting like makeup or skincare. I don't know.
You get clothes that you just throw away afterwards.
I feel like women, we should be able to, I spend my money on what I want to spend it on, and then you can buy the clothes and stuff. Because clothes is starting to get expensive. I mean, good quality. Like every time I buy fast fashion, the clothes never last long. Girl, you making me feel like that girl. The pink is so cute. It's so me. It's a gift from me.
Yeah.
But it's girly, like I don't know.
Yeah, it's feminine.
It's very cute.
Yeah.
I like that, bro.
Y'all, tell him to buy me this bag. My birthday is coming up. I love it. But y'all, he never like any bags.
Yeah,
Any bag he ever got me, he just be like, oh, that's okay.
Yeah, you got it.
So how would you know what type of bag to pick out for me?
I don't know, but if I seen that, I'll be like, alright, that's the one.
This boy is crazy.
Yeah. Get up and get it back.
And to my friend, make sure y'all come see her at Dolce & Gabbana. Wait, you also do styling, right?
I do styling.
She was supposed to style me, y'all. Don't even.
They do love Yeezy on the block. Don't they love Yeezy on the block? Mm-hmm. She said people becoming pairs looking like stopping.
Yeah,
The
that's.
black and white stopped today, wanted to pet him.
Yes, they attract so much attention. It's crazy. Y'all, I really wish that I got him a smaller size. I did not know, but this is the bracelet, the Hermes bracelet I got him for his birthday, and they won't even let me return it because they say it's a little scratch right there. But it looks so good together though. Let me see. Watch your wrist up. Watch your wrist up. Y'all, Dr. Pepper. It's just so good.
Wow. Wow.
Ew, now that I burp, I could taste the seafood boil from earlier. That is so nasty.
What can I get for you?
This is
can I have
the
a,
strawberry shortcake McFlurry.
Go ahead, pull her out the first.
So you
That
just got so mad at me talking about something. I came to McDonald's knowing you can't eat nothing. Baby, why did you just get that McChicken?
I didn't get that from you.
No, who did you get a McChicken for? Because Celine don't. No, I didn't get a McChicken. Yo, this boy is crazy. Yo, he just got so mad at me because I asked him to come to McDonald's. Told him he can't eat this. He just got a McChicken with cheese.
That was not for me. I got that for you.
I don't eat McChicken. I don't know if I'm just like super light or the camera's too light. Excuse me. Yo, this is okay. I wouldn't get this again. This is the, what is it called? Strawberry shortcake. Atlanta keep building so many condos, y'all. Like, this is crazy. Anytime, they said every time Atlanta gets some virgin land, they build a condo on top of it.
Anybody who bought land and land, they up.
Land in Atlanta probably high as hell though. Downtown. To make somebody buy it off me, and I'm gonna add an extra $100, maybe extra little $300,000 on top. What they open
Damn,
up?
shit. This sounds crazy.
What they put like $1 million on top of it?
Yeah.
So say you bought land for like 700,000. You gonna put an M on it?
Yeah.
I don't know about real estate.
Couple of them more than that. Couple of them. I think they about to build $1 million fucking condos on.
We are on our way to pick Leanie Bean up. Oh, we didn't get nothing for Celine. Say for some fries.
That's why I asked you, is your thing yet? Because I was serious.
No, that had nothing to do with that. You wanted to know if I ate my thing because you wanted to try some. Oh. Save my daughter some fries. Since you ate mine.
Huh?
Hi, gorgeous. Hi. Say hey, mamas. You happy to see mommy and daddy?
No.
Why?
Alright, no french fries then.
I don't
No french fries for Leanie. She's being mean.
Yeah, they need to be mean, no french fries.
I want french fries.
No, well say sorry.
I'm sorry.
That wasn't nice, mommy.
I want french fries. Yeah.
Like what? Let's keep it a buck. Like damn, she in her mood. Leanie, you in your mood? You in your mood? You in your mood?
No.
You're not in your mood?
No.
How was school today, baby?
Okay.
You had a good day?
No.
Did you have a good day? Yes, good job. You was nice to your friends today?
No.
No, you wasn't nice to your friends? Just got home, y'all. So I'm about to do like a cute little unboxing video because guess what, y'all? I'm gonna be giving this bag away to one of my subscribers. So the rules are that you have to subscribe to Shaded by Jade YouTube channel. You have to comment on this video with your Instagram name, and then I'm going to be using a special app that picks random people from the comments to win this bag. Oh, and also I'm going to be giving away free Shaded by Jade products in there, and I'm also going to be giving away these earrings from Row 24, which is like a jewelry boutique, y'all. These earrings are so cute, and they even have these cute little bracelets. So cute. So yeah, so I'm gonna be giving that away. All the rules are gonna be in the description. Let's get to it. Okay, here she is, y'all. So to win this bag, all of the information is going to be in the description box so that you can win. And may the best winner win. She is so gorgeous, y'all. I want to keep this bag for myself so bad. Like, look at her. Okay. These are the lip glosses that I'm going to be giving away also for the giveaway. Okay guys, so this is the end of this little mini vlog. I want to show y'all this new perfume that I got. This right here, Chef's Kiss. Zerjoff. I think it's pronounced Zerjoff Herb Pure. I got this from Neiman Marcus. Y'all, it smells so good. It smells like fruity. It has citrus, vanilla, but it's a smell that you've never smelled before, y'all. Like, if you know, you know. This is like one of the most interesting, unique. I always get so many compliments with this perfume, y'all. But I just want to say, y'all, I am so grateful. I'm so thankful for all my lovely mamas. Thank y'all so much for supporting me. This is just a small way of me giving back to y'all for the support. Like I said, all the instructions to win will be in the description box. I forget what it's called, but it's a link that you put, but it's like a website where I put the link of the video, and then it looks at all the comments and it randomly picks someone from the comments. So when I pick the winner, I'm gonna do another video and I'm gonna be showing y'all me on the website how it randomly chooses a winner, just so that everybody has a fair chance. And make sure you guys comment your Instagram name and comment under this video, like, follow, and subscribe. Make sure y'all share this video with other people. If somebody else was gonna win for you, just make sure that they put your Instagram in the comments so that I can DM the winner and get their address and send them their Givenchy purse. So it was funny because when I was in the Givenchy store, the security was like, what's your Instagram? She was like, I need to subscribe to you, girl, so I could win a free bag. She was like, I can't wait to be able to get me a bag. Like, one day I'm gonna get me one. And I was like, girl, like, I wish I could have just chose her. She was so sweet. But, you know, I was just trying to, you know, encourage her, like, girl, it can be done, because I know what it's like sometimes when you're not able to get the stuff that you really want, but you just got to be patient, and that's what I'm learning too. But I just want to thank y'all so much for the support, and that's why I'm giving back to y'all. Anyways, y'all have a good rest of your day, and like I said, I'm about to edit this video real quick. Oh, and also this giveaway is going to go on for an entire month. But I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all in the next video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Comment your Instagram name. Make sure you follow Shade by Jade Cosmetics. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to this video. And make sure you guys follow Row 24 as well, because I'll be giving away these earrings as well in the giveaway.